Hi, my name is Vicky and today I'm going to show you how to write and read in the Greek language. We are beginning with the alphabet. Alpha, A as in father. Vita, V as in Victor. Gamma, G as in yes. Delta, D as in then. Epsilon, E as in pen. Zeta, Z as in zebra. Eta, E as in police. Theta, Th as in thunder. Here it is. Iota, E as in police. Kappa, Q as in king. Lambda, L as in lemon. Mi, M as in mother. Ni, N as in no. Xi, X as in X-ray. Omicron, O as in ocean. P, P as in power. Rho, R as in river. Sigma, S as in sand. Taf, T as in table. Ypsilon, E as in police. Phi, F as in fire. He, H as in house. Psi, Ps as in drops. Omega, O as in ocean. Notice we have three E's in the Greek alphabet: eta, iota, and epsilon. And they all sound the same, like in police. That's why I used the same example previously. We also have two O's, omicron and omega. They both sound the same. That's why I used the same word previously as an example, ocean. These are the diphthongs, two vowels that make one sound. Alpha iota sounds E. Epsilon iota sounds E. Omicron iota sounds E. Epsilon iota sounds E. Alpha epsilon sounds av or af. Epsilon epsilon sounds ev or f. And omicron epsilon sounds u. Okay, these are the double consonants that make one sound. N and T together, they sound D, D. M and P together, they sound B, like the letter B. Gamma and K, G, together they sound like the letter G. Once you know how to write and read the Greek symbols and the double letters, the double consonants and the diphthongs, you know how to read in Greek. It's easy. You just pronounce the letters, each one. For example, kalo. It's kappa, alpha, lambda, o. Kalo. And this is phonetics in English. Kalo, which means good. Here's another example. Kako. Kako. Kako, bad. Okay, this is oxia in Greek, or accent in English. It always goes on a vowel and on the syllable where the voice is emphasized. For example, kalo. If we say kalo, then the oxia is going to go on the alpha. Kalo, kako. Here's an example using a diphthong. P, alpha iota, delta E. Παιδί. Παιδί. Child. Kalimera means good day or good morning. we read exactly what we see. Kalimera. Good day or good morning.
Okay.
Ευχαριστώ means thank you. F is one of the diphthongs that I told you before. Ευχαριστώ. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.